welcome to Cherry Detailing's YouTube video. Today we got a brand new Kia EV6, a fully battery operated electric vehicle. We have the opportunity to apply a 10-year ceramic coating by System X, which is Max, and we're also going to apply System X window ceramic coating on all the exterior windows. This YouTube video is going to be awesome. I'm pretty excited to work on this. My detailer Ken is going to be working on it. He's my professional detailer and ceramic coating specialist here at Cherry Detailing. He's going to perform the prep, exterior detail, multi-stage buff and polish, more like a paint enhancement, very light paint enhancement, and then the ceramic coating application. If you guys enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you guys are interested in our ceramic coating details, click our link down below and head over to our website. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and keep watching.
So here are the before videos of this EV6. As you can see, it's not bad at all. This paint is actually in really good condition. It has minor water spots. It looks fresh only because it was just raining earlier today and they drove the car to our shop. So it does have some water spots all over it, but they're pretty fresh and all surface. So pretty much what you can do is just take your water spot remover and just wipe it down, and those water spots will definitely go away. But for this detail, we are doing a 10-year ceramic coating, and we still have some minor spider webbing along the paint. Nothing too severe, nothing a light paint enhancement can't take care of. But yeah, this paint is in really good condition, so there's not much work that needs to be done on it. Like with any other ceramic coating detail, you have to prepare the vehicle. So now we're going to get into the wash, where we do the wheels, tires, wheel wells, iron decon, foam bath, hand wash, and then dry. Pretty much we want to make sure this vehicle is decontaminated and stripped from any plastic or stripped from any wax sealants or debris that can be harmful when you start the paint enhancement phase. And as you notice in this video, off the back, this vehicle has some sort of coating on it, so we have to try to do our best to chemically remove it with our alkaline soap, our heavy degreasers, anything that can just break down whatever coating is on it. It's probably just a wax, or it has been shipped to Guam, so they probably put some sort of corrosion protective over it, like an oily film type of thing. But nevertheless, we are gonna prepare this vehicle. So starting with the pre-rinse, after we're done doing the tires, pre-rinse the entire vehicle, hit it with a foam cannon. The foam cannon helps absorb and pick up the dirt, and so that way when you get into the hand wash, you don't introduce any micro scratches or swirls into your paint. And that's why the ceramic coating is so great, because it will protect it from those micro scratches caused by, your overworn out microfiber towels or overworn microfiber wash mitt. It's always best to take care of those properly. Those things will definitely scratch up your car once it gets nice and crispy. So, yep. And remember, when you're washing the car, you want to start from the top down. You never want to start from the bottom up and drag all that dirt across the paint that are lingering at the bottom of the panels. You want to make sure you can wash the car from the top going down, mitigating and introducing any scratches. And then, because this car is new and it is really smooth, there's not much decontamination on it, so we're going to run the iron remover over it. Probably rub it over our hands to see if there's any contamination stuck onto it. But for this vehicle, there was absolutely no contamination, which was very surprising. Very rare we get vehicles that doesn't need to be decontaminated on the island. And then when you're drying the car, you want to take your blower and your microfiber drying towel. Remember, you want to use everything microfiber. They're just super safe for the car. And then you want to blow the water away. It helps dry the car, especially with the water that is being retained in those cracks and crevices. And then the blower can only do so much, so you want to isolate that down with the air compressor gun and blow out all the water within the seams. You want to make sure the car is not dripping water, and that's just to help prevent any issues when you get into the paint enhancement phase. And then You do a final iso alcohol prep or a surface prep wipe down. You want to remove any oils or oils that are left from the wash, from the car soap and the iron remover. You want to wipe it down. And also, if you use surface prep, it'll help remove any sealants or waxes that are on the car still from washing or previous application of that product. And then getting into the paint enhancement. The paint enhancement is going to be quick and it's going to be fun. We're using our lights to check our work. We're going to be using Roop's ultrafine finishing compound with Lake Country microfiber finishing pad, and these two combinations, like I mentioned before in other videos, these are our go-tos. And when you're working with these type of compounds, you want to go smooth. You want to go slow and smooth. You want to make sure you hit every inch of this car with that compound. And then also because you're using a finishing pad, it's not so thick it's not so firm as a cutting pad, so you don't want to put too much pressure on this pad, or else you're not going to make it. You're either just going to add more scratches into the car or more marring. So you want to make sure you can do a very very light pressure on your polisher. And we'll be jumping forth from our DA course, but still using the foam pad, only because the DA course, some of them, some spots on this car, they do have some deeper imperfections, but they're not too bad. They're all surface level. And once you're done pretty much polishing the car and making your way around, you want to wipe it down, make sure to remove any compounds and oils off the paint before you even apply a ceramic coating. You want to make sure that paint is bare naked. All right, jumping into the ceramic coating application, we will be putting System X Max, which is a 10-year ceramic coating. This coating is one of the coatings that are most popular here on the island, besides the 6-year coatings, and it's honestly just designed for Guam, especially with the heat that Guam has, and the humidity and the salt air. So it's recommended to get a ceramic coating on Guam because of just how detrimental the environment is to the vehicle. I've seen cars that are 1 year old already accumulating rust pins, and that's pretty horrible, especially it being new. And once you're applying the ceramic coating, you automatically see the difference. I mean, look at this hood that you're looking at. This hood is super shiny, and it's all because of the paint enhancement, and then of course the ceramic coating. Any ceramic coating should be able to provide a deep gloss to the paint, or to your exterior paint. There's so many different brands. Just make sure when you're deciding to choose a ceramic coating, make sure your detailer walks you through the process. Make sure the detailer helps you understand exactly what's going to happen when it comes to the ceramic coating application. Some people mistake ceramic coatings as being a bulletproof coating where you don't have to wash your car, or it's like scratch proof. But remember, ceramic coatings are just as fragile as a clear coat, but a lot more durable than your clear coat. It will resist those water spots, it will resist those light scratches, but if you hit a tree, you're definitely going to get a scratch. Or if you let that water just bake on the car and you never wash your car, then you can be assured that those water spots and the damages will still be there on top of the ceramic coating. So you want to emphasize to your customers that you still need to wash the car on a monthly basis. So this will just ensure that the ceramic coating will last its lifetime. Remember, nothing is ever permanent in life. So the best thing you can do to ensure that the coating will last its lifetime is to provide a regular maintenance on a regular basis. If you're planning on coating the face of the rims, you want to make sure you communicate that to the customer. Not all cars come with nice rims. Some older model vehicles come with super damage. It has curb rash or scratches, or just never been washed. It's probably not best to get a ceramic coating on that rim. So make sure everything has to be communicated down to the customer. If the customer understands exactly what he's going to be getting, from a paint correction to a paint enhancement or a coating on the face of the rims, you want to make sure that customer knows exactly what's going to happen to his car. The detail is complete. We applied System X Max, which is a 10-year ceramic coating, and just look at this final results. This paint has little to no paint imperfections whatsoever. We performed a paint enhancement to brighten up that gloss and then applied the 10-year ceramic coating over it to enhance that gloss. And you can see it on the curvature of the paint. You can see how smooth and glossy this paint really is. I love the color on it, especially with the metallic flakes within the paint. This car is a really cool car. Maybe one day, if I can afford it, I'll definitely pick one up. But as of now, this car is really cool. The customer loved it. This is his second car that we've done. We did his Tesla, and there's a video of that on the YouTube channel of us performing a ceramic coating on his Tesla. Now this is his second EV car, and it was a pleasure to work on it. Just look how glossy and mirror effect this paint has, especially with that ceramic coating on it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you guys are interested or in the market for ceramic coating, make sure your detailer walks you through the process. Other than that, if you guys are on Guam and you're interested in our ceramic coating details, the website will be listed down below in the description. You can head over there and check us out. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.